Founded for doctors by doctors, AMBOSS brings knowledge to doctors from medical school until retirement. Their goal is to distill the overflow of information and make it applicable to patient care.
Today we have with us Madjid Salimi, co-founder of AMBOSS, to tell us about how they provide a better digital resource for doctors to make improved clinical decisions.
I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of the company AMBOSS. I went, maybe it's a bit of a personal story also, like how we founded AMBOSS. I studied computer science and economics 20 years ago and founded a software company with a friend of mine. And we're doing this for a couple of years before I decided to go to medical school. And being in medical school, I looked with other eyes to educational software and hospital software, and I was surprised how things are lagging behind, and I was very confident that things will change soon for the better. It took me to graduation 6 years later, when I started to work as a doctor, to realize things are changing very slowly and we're not taking the opportunities that are possible. And together with a group of doctors, we founded AMBOSS, which is now already 10 years ago. But we have been on a great road to change how medical students become doctors and doctors in practice are able to apply latest knowledge. I think, to be honest, the way we educate doctors is still very similar to how it was 100 years ago. What I mean with that is basically we make doctors to memorize facts and then we write exams where we have to repeat those facts. While daily practice today is, we're in an age and time where knowledge is changing and growing so fast that you cannot memorize anymore everything. And we need a paradigm shift to think about, like, how is it if you're, like, in reality able to use technology at point of care and have in real-time knowledge available. What do you need to study and learn to become a great doctor? But you don't have to memorize small dosages and details here and there, where you have the resources right next to you. On our journey of having today 100,000 of students and doctors worldwide using AMBOSS, we've been working with a lot of partners in the industry. To name a few, definitely with medical schools for curriculum integration, where basically based on the curriculum we have the digital resources available for scenarios like flipped classrooms, and mock exams and other things for educational purposes. We have been partnering with hospitals to integrate SOPs, and we have been partnering also with medical societies who are at the frontier of evidence and bringing evidence to practice. And as I would describe what our mission really is we want to bring the knowledge that is available to practice. We are not reinventing or bringing new evidence. That's done with a lot of other people in the industry. We're going to make sure that the things we know that are available and should be applied are really applied.